This is Boots from CyborgTeam.com. Today I got the E-Yooso K610. Now, I do not remember ordering this keyboard, but obviously I did, otherwise it wouldn't be here. So I'm not sure which switches that I got, but this is a full-size keyboard, 104 keys. It has lighting on the sides, supposed to be double shot keycaps, and supposed to be hot swappable switches. So we'll check that out right now. Plain box. Got a pictogram on the back, K610. In our bag of goodies here, we have a keycap puller, we have a switch puller, and some replaceable switches, black switches, Otemu. Onto the keyboard. Let's see. Got your manual for the keyboard. You got a wired keyboard here. E-Yooso branding, black keys, white legends. On the back, we got kick-up feet. Without further ado, let's plug it in, see what we got. As we start it up, it looks like it has some white backlight. Let me see if we can make that any brighter. That's about it. All right, there's several different lighting modes. It's pretty dim. When the lights are off, you can see it pretty good. These linear switches feel very springy. They feel a little bit heavier than normal. So I'm gonna try to get some info on these. These box black switches are 60-gram switches, so that's why they feel a bit heavier than normal. Normal Gatorons are about 45 grams, so it takes slightly more force to press these down, but it's a good feeling. I like how they spring back up pretty easily. Keyboard is nice and lightweight. Some can appreciate that. See, our indicator lights here light up nice and blue. I like that blue there. Looks pretty classy. And this keyboard also has N key rollover. Tell you what, the typing experience on a $26 keyboard here, I'm impressed. It feels really good. It's snappy, it's responsive. This is a pretty good keyboard. I've bought Logitech keyboards back in the day before I knew what a mechanical keyboard was for $20, $30, and they felt, you know, not up to snuff. They felt spongy. This feels nice and snappy, responsive. I love these black switches. I've never used them before, but they are pretty good. Overall, this is a nice keyboard for $26. You can't beat that. Oh yeah, they said these were hot swappable. Let's check that out. Sure enough, hot swap. The PCB is 3 pins, and you can see those double shot keycaps right there. Not bad. $26, can't beat this. Hot swappable keys, double shot keycaps. You got some LEDs on the side. I'm sorry, you got some RGBs on the side. The backlight isn't too bright, but who cares? It's $26. This is a very nice feeling keyboard. This keyboard feels nicer to type on than some $50 and $60 keyboards that I tried. So E-Yooso K610. Check out the links in the description. Hit like, hit subscribe. Hit me up with any questions in the comments. I'm out. Thank you.